The world of finance moves fast. Decisions must be made quickly and accurately, and the consequences of a wrong move can be devastating. That's why many financial experts are turning to AI for help.
But some people worry that AI will replace human experts altogether. That's simply not the case.
AI doesn't aim to replace financial experts, but to empower them with the ability to make better decisions faster.
It's not man versus machine. It's man and machine working together to create a smarter, more efficient market.
Financial expert. With the help of AI, I can analyze vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take me to do it manually. This frees up my time to focus on other important tasks like building relationships with clients and staying up to date on market trends.
AI can provide real-time market analysis, allowing financial experts to make informed decisions quickly and accurately.
And when financial experts work alongside AI, they can identify patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed.
This collaboration creates a smarter, more efficient market that benefits everyone.
So it's not man versus machine, it's man and machine working together to create a better financial future.